Okay, so hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to use one project classes to other project. So first, let me create a one project. So here I'm going to create one new Java project. So let me take the project name as project one. So here I have created a project. So in this project, I'm going to create. So here module info is not necessary while developing enterprise applications. We use this. So delete this file as it is not necessary. So here module info. Next coming to create a package along with the class. So let me take the package name as com dot something text slash. So let me take demo package, demo one. Okay. So here I'm going to take the class name as sample one. Okay. So click on finish here. So here I'm going to write a simple logic to find the factorial public. So I want to return the factorial value. So I'm going to return the return type as integer. So here the method name is factorial. So while finding the factorial, we'll take a input as any value. So let me take the initial value as fact is equals to 1. So here, after finding the factorial, return that value. So here I'm going to return a value. So here return fact value. Fact. Okay, so this is the logic to find a factorial. Next, I'm going to create a new project. So let me take the project name as project 2. Project 2. Click on next and finish. So here also module info file is not necessary. So remove this file. Okay. So here I'm going to create a new package along with the class. Let me take the package name as com.tech.service1. So here this is I'm going to consider it as main class. Take the main method. Click on finish here. So here in the project one, I have a logic of factorial. So that factorial logic I want to use in the project two. So then how can I use that? Okay. In project one, so here the method is an instance method. So if the method is instance method, we can access with the help of object reference. So create the object of sample one. Sample one. So let me take a reference as obj is equals to new sample one. Okay, so here there is no class of sample one in this project two. So that's why we want to use this sample one class from other project. How to use it? So we need to add that project file to the second project where you want to use. So right click on this project, go to build path. Then here you have a option of configure build path. So in this go to projects folder, in this inside the class path. So inside the class path, you need to provide the path of the project from which project you want to use. So here inside the class path, I'm going to add. So I want to use project one classes to project 2. So I'm going to add project 1 to project 2. So click on apply and apply and close. Okay, so then it will ask you for the import option. See here. So import sample 1. Now there is no any error. Now I want to call that method. So obj dot, what's the name of the method? Factorial. Obj dot factorial of, here find the factorial of 5. So this will return int type of value, store it in an int type of value. Let me take int result. Okay, so now I'm going to print that value. Observe whether it'll get output or not. Here in this project, there is no logic of factorial. This factorial logic is present inside the project 1. That project we have added to the project 2 so that we can able to access all the classes which are present in project 1. Let me run this project, run as run Java application. So see here, you are going to get the logic of factorial. So if you want to create one more project, let me take here inside the project 1, I'm going to create one more class along with the package. Let me take the package name is demo1. Here I'm going to take it as a sample2. Sample2. So click on finish. So here in this, I'm going to create a class, a method called static method, public static void. Let me consider it as M1 method. Okay, so here I'm going to prepare. So this is Techlavia YouTube channel. Okay, so now I want to use this M1 method inside the project 2. So then how can I use? So as this is a static method, I can use directly with the help of class name. No need of creating the object. So let me take in this in the second project, I'm going to create a class. So let me take the class name as main class 2. So take the main method, click on finish. So now I want to use this, use the M1 method, which is present in the project 1 to project 2. So here the M1 method is present inside the sample1, demo1 sample1 dot Java class. So here I'm going to use with the help of class name sample1 dot. So here sample one, from which package you want to import. So here in this project, I have sample one classes are two sample one classes. So that's why I want to import this. See here demo one and demo. So I'm going to import from demo one package. So demo one dot m1 method. So now run this. First save and run this, run as run Java application. See here, this is a Techlavia YouTube channel. So got right. So this is about how to import classes, means how to use the classes or packages from one project to other project. Thank you.